Rengkat bat keri barok kawai kumju Haka ni kejala Meghalaya, kejing Rakhe ke Sngi jong kejing yo lat lut na kejing senchar ki do ali ka bah nyau punyau snem menchwa kalalong ka bashit rem ha barok kawai keri India na duk kejing Rakhe ki bala pelong da ka sarkar pedeng bat ki sarkar jela. Nalor kejing Rakhe bala pelong da ka sarkar hakini kenong ba Shillong la sakhiru ya kawai kejing Rakhe ka bala pelong da ka dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills da ka ba pelong ye ki program ba pher. Kador bar Shnong Nongrim Hills sapok kejing alam jong rang ba Shnong uba banteli nari bat kiwe de kinong kit kam Shnong kila pelong ya kini kejing Rakhe da kaba pelong i kita masa babunjat halor rinsan bakentup i kejing rai bat kejing syat tenrai bat kiwe de kejing ele akai ban penbernya ya kinong shong Shnong. Kawai ni ki program bakam shongkun hakini kenok pai Sngi jong kini kejing Rakhe kadai kejing penkup Burom kerpang ye ki Riew Tymmen jong ke Shnong Nongrim Hills ki bela kenjo syaka prabhaus nem tam kerta sheneng. Kejing penkup Burom ye ki Riew pau kmat kejela ki basyong basa kini ke Shnong bat kejing penkup Burom ye ki kena bat ki samla jong kini ke Shnong ki bela pau syakmat ha ki kerdan pule beper jong usnem arjar arpulat. Hakani kejing Rakhe layadan rengkat Riew Chief Executive Member jangka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council ubak peniat sing siem kumukongsan harengkat kejing edan lang ki weide ki balasha khot ngobha.
Supriya, who's the compere of today's program, respected guests of honor, my colleague is Ba Fantin Joseph Lakadong, who's the local MDC of this constituency, also the EM in charge, taxation, mines and mineral in the KHDC. Respected guests, Dr. Jimino Mautho, who's our ex-MLA of this constituency. Rangbat Shnong, Nongrim Hills, Badeng, Bantali, Nari, officers and staff of NEC present here, distinguished guests, senior citizens and meritorious students, and all citizens and residents of this locality, Nongrim Hills. Nga dap daka jingkemen bakraw hakanika Sngi bat yo eknika lat ban Rakhe yaka jing lai luot jongkari India kesnem kabanyo punyo. I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you today a very happy Independence Day, and may God bless you. So ban I kublai kerpang yaka executive committee jong kedor Shnong Nongrim Hills ako ajing alam jong ibadeng iblakan mau ingi ban yadon bentalang hakum kanika program keba kerpang kumjuru kajing sembilan lang jong i rambak Shnong renja iba edi wa perlok baijan but ngaso benong ka locality Nongrim Hills nene ka dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills kadai ka wei na ka dorbar Shnong kabalong most active dorbar Shnong hapo Shillong city fin hapban so sarong mo lakran chief executive member hanta. See, it's long ka sukumen yang namar ba kadai ka wei na ka locality kabalong unique, especially ba kibabun ba ki residents hamni po locality kilong mix different communities living together in peace. They kani kadai ka wei ka example ka babha nam takiwei ru ki darashna ba ngin pen I ya ka generation ka jongi ka bamta katnu ba kita kinong yalam Shnong ki yar ka jingmut jang khat te hoy kindon ki jingja ni hentai kumne hentai ka bangiru ngim kershan ya kum kita ki ban penwet ya ka shongsuk shongsai resu kemen pat bagi yo ya kum kini ki dorbar Shnong kum ka Nongrim Hills bandai ko wei ka dorbar Shnong hangni po ka sunjuk jong ka nong thmai pelun ba ka ba trishtom ka ba trei bah long active but nga terpat ye pi paro ki residents hangni ki nong Shnong bakin island ka support island ka jinge trailang ka jong pi nam ta kini ka dorbar Shnong namal ngidon ya ka dorbar Shnong hapo ka provision jong ka 6th schedule under the Constitution of India ban preserve ne ban protect ya ka custom tradition jongi ki jai ban Riew hang ne po hari jongi da ka jingdon lang jo ki we ru ka cooperation ka coordination jo ki ban ya trailang te kata kan yarap ya ka Shnong ban kentiu hakilyang bo pero te nakaliang jungi kum ka KHDC ru ngi kloi ben trailang bat phi kum iram ba Shnong bat ka Shnong hi bro howe nam ta kinu jing don kam na sip hi don kam ka support nangi ki bills ki bangi legislate apo house ki ban yarap shushu ba kini ki grassroots of governance kin nang kham klan kin nang kham long effective in this modern generation te ngi dang wanra ki babun ki bills ki ban long ka jing mentoi ya ki benta ba phero te ngasuk men sa hisien ba ngani iru ya kini ki Riew Tymmen senior citizens ka felicitation program kerpang nang ta jongki ka jingdan jong phi baro kini ki senior citizens ki bala palat propose nam sheneng ka pensngan ya ka ni ka locality ki jongi ka jingdan jong phi ka aimen siam yang iru kum ki noilam kum ki nomik man namar bangi i ya phi kawan ka jingkemen but ngidon ka jing susngan te sultanat ru ba ka dorbar Shnong ka acknowledge ya ka jing trishtom hard work jo ki students ha ki examination bo pher khamtam ki exams ki badang shudap ba sayo academic felicitation program hadin nam ta ki students te big congratulations to all the students ki bala pass ha ki exams ki bo pher but commence camp bang nang EFE ki wei pat ki benta bright future ahead ba pinang kiu ha jing puli ba ha ki jing trai ba pher the sai hi sian nga ai khublei ker pang ye baro khamtam kini ki rorang ba syong lang hang ni khamtam ki nong Shnong nadu ki long keme ki long kpa ki samlang i don lang ba ka jing don lang jong phi baro ani ka sngi ka pen kraw ka pen kemen yangi lang but kumju ya ka ba ngin kemen lang ya ka jing celebration yakin Independence Day ka ba nyo punyo snap te kublei shugon kublei shajaru ya baro.
Yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. Speak forward in this generation, triumphantly. Now won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? They're all I ever have. Redemption songs, these songs of freedom. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the tide. And how long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look They say it's just a part of it, but we've got to fulfill Jabuk. Now won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? They're all I ever have. Redemption songs, these songs of freedom, they're all I'll ever have. Redemption songs.
We've been struggling with a lot of systems and processes in the Darbar, and we eventually have zeroed into Kishan and his team here to formulate a software for us. The first thing was the data that was required for us to maintain for each and every household. This we have done in the past. We have numbered the houses, and we need to redo this again because a lot of things have changed with the tenants, a lot of additions have come in. So that data is something that we're building, and through this data, and eventually it is only by the click of a button where we will have all the details of every house. That is one of the parameters. And the second one is the financial part of it, which we've been struggling in maintaining our accounts because multiple accounts are there. And how do we bring it to the fold together? This is another thing that we have addressed and which Kishan is ready for it. And this software also has a lot of other usages in it, which we encounter day to day. We can ask the software a lot of questions, the software will help us. And it is not going to be online. We are not going to share any personal data of anybody online. This is just strictly which is for the .Shnong, will remain with the .Shnong, and will not be online. So this I want to be very, very clear with you that whatever data we have about you is absolutely secure because it's not going to be online. It's in-house, it's going to stay in-house. And I'll hand it over to Kishan where he'll explain to you the nitty-gritties of what the software should be. Thank you.
Which we intended to get from the localities and the tenants and all be integrated in the softwares only. So there will be no extra efforts to what we call to enter the name data in the copies and all and to maintain the files. So from the next, whatever the data will be coming, it will directly be in the software, and plus it will be very easy for you all to see who is there in your houses softwares only. So this is the software, how it will look. You'll be able to get a long-term data of the tenants and all of the locality, plus the correct data of the locality, and the custom reports will be generated from this softwares only, and the data security will be there for those tenants and all, and your localities, whoever will be handling these softwares. Of your tenants and all, and plus providing the correct information about your family members. All the family members' data also will be implemented in this softwares only. These are the future features which will be implementing in the software. That is the reminder of the renewal of the card, garbage collection. Some cards are there, which will be auto-generated from here, and you will get a reminder of the person who is not able to give that time. And plus, user service will be requested, and self portals also we are trying to install in this software. In future, if you want to get any data, you can directly get it from. You don't have to go into the Darbar and ask for the data. It will be getting directly from this software only. These are some small features which we have intended. So, and once it is implemented, then it should be very easy for you all to get the data.
The Darbar Shnong in Shillong, which has been selected by the government for the implementation of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act, which the government has passed. And we've sat for a couple of meetings with the government, and this data, this software will be something that will be of use even for the MRSSA. Thank you.